Title: The Gift of the Bridge. In a quiet town nestled between two mountains, there was a deep chasm that separated the people from the lush valley beyond. For generations, the villagers tried to cross it, using ropes, makeshift bridges, and ladders. But every attempt ended in failure or tragedy. The other side remained a beautiful mystery, untouched, unreachable. One day a stranger arrived. He was kind, gentle, and wise. No one knew where he came from, but his words brought comfort and hope. He told them about a way across the chasm that didn't rely on their efforts. A bridge, solid and everlasting. The villagers were skeptical. "We've tried everything," they said. "Nothing works." But the stranger smiled. "You didn't have to build the bridge. The builder already has." Then he walked to the edge of the chasm, and before their eyes, he gave his life to become the bridge. His body stretched across the divide, forming a living way from their broken land to the green valley beyond. At first, few dared to cross. It seemed impossible that one man's sacrifice could make such a way. But then a little girl, holding a small wooden cross, stepped forward. With childlike trust, she walked across. One by one, others followed. Tears filled their eyes as they realized the cost. The bridge had been built with love, not stone or wood. A sign stood at the beginning of the bridge. It read, "For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life."